All right, and with these 5 drills, I know you're gonna be more confident, more accurate, and more consistent with your game. Scratched. What is up, guys? I like to stay sharp, stay consistent, and stay accurate whenever I go up to a pool league or a pool tournament. Today I'm going to be walking you through the drills that I do before every big tournament and sometimes before a very important league match as well. Over the last 5 years, I've played in 8 different leagues, ranging from APA to VNEA, as well as BCA a little bit. I've also played in 13 tournaments, the last tournament being the Las Vegas World Championships. And these drills are what I use to lock in before competing. All right, with this first drill, I set every ball up into the corner. Just gotta make 6 in a row. For this, we're just getting used to knowing what it's like to get building our confidence, knowing what it's like to make the ball into the pocket. We're also gonna just make sure we have a steady, nice and straight stroke as well. Don't worry too much about speed yet. That'll come in the next video or in the next. Don't worry about your speed with the cue ball. Make note of where the cue ball is going, but don't worry, they're all in the pocket. Your only job is to take this seriously. All right, well, drill number 2, I like to set up each ball on the first diamond closest to the pocket itself, about 1 inch apart from the rail. You notice this one. When it comes to the side pockets, I make sure that the inside of the object ball is matched up evenly with the inside of the side pocket, roughly 2 inches away from the rail. With that being said, this drill is to get you more into the rhythm of both short and long shots. Don't have to go in any specific order. You're just trying to build up your confidence, remind yourself you know what you're doing, but you're also being more cautious about where the cue ball is going to go next and how you want to play the shot after. All right, let's try again. All right, for drill number 3, we are going to be focusing on cut shots. Just trying to build our confidence. We know how to do these. Sometimes we can be a little out of sorts, out of balance. So this will kind of recalibrate. For drill number 3, we are really mainly focusing on trusting our line, making sure we're aimed accurately, and we're all dialed in before the big game. All right. I'm not supposed to miss these, Clark. It's supposed to be perfect on camera. I'm not perfect, like I thought I was. Oh, Lord. What? Wow. Drill number 4, we are practicing more position play. Right now I have the cue ball spotted. I have the 1 ball, again, 1 inch off the rail, 2 ball on the other side of the table, 1 inch off the rail, 3 and 4. Same exact setup. Or what we are gonna do is we're gonna cut the 1 in and make sure we have enough speed, enough momentum to get the cue ball down there in order to make the 2. Oh, Lord. Dang, Clark. For the final drill, drill number 5, we are actually going to incorporate everything all into one. First shot is going to be an easy, simple make, which is what we did in drill number 1. Drill number 2, we worried about a little bit more distance between the pocket and the ball, it being on the first diamond here. Third drill, we worried about the cut shots themselves, so we're going to practice that with number 3, just based on the setup. And then from drill 4, we worked on getting position play, so from 3 to 4. This one is definitely one of my favorite drills that I actually haven't seen this one before, but I'm sure it's out there, but that I really enjoy playing. I end up rotating the 8 ball with whatever ball I want. I'll place the 8 ball on the dot. Then from there, I go 1, 2, 3, 8 ball. And then I can go back and reset it again. And I can just rotate each ball into a new position and play it still in numerical order each time. This is definitely a fun one. A lot of different combinations that you can do. I am going to go ahead and play the 8 ball on the center dot. Now I have the 8 ball in spot of the 3, which then rotates 3 in spot of the 8. Now I have the 8 ball in spot of the 2. All right, and with these 5 drills, I know you're going to be more confident, more accurate, and more consistent with your game. This has been Trent on the Break. Thank you guys for joining. I scratched.